All right, so shaping rudimentary basic command structure without food, stationary positions. We'll start with sit. Sit is actually an unnatural position for a dog to be in, right? If you look at like wolves, pictures of wolves in the wild, they're either standing or they're laying down. But what's good about sit is it kind of forces them into a posture where they kind of have to focus on something. And it's a form of discipline, basically, posturally. Obviously it has a ton of real world application. And I teach it with an implied stay. So there's never say the word stay. Not with basic command structure. I don't. Sit means sit until further notice. There's an implied stay. So there are a few ways that you want to reinforce that, but just shaping the command itself, again, I feel like food is very, very unnecessary, particularly for this command. So how do you do it? Well, I mainly use my hands. I use sort of shaping and massage techniques with my hands. I'll kind of manipulate their bodies with my hands. I'll do a lot of what's called stacking, and I'll get into that. I kind of massage them backwards, and I help them get in the position I want them to be in. Real stubborn dog, maybe we'll use a little tiny leash tension, but this is done almost exclusively with my hands. I also use walls, right? You want to put their back up against the wall so they're not looking around, especially with a young dog. Trying to check out what's going on. Helps their positioning, because now you want them parallel to you all the time. I'll use elevated surfaces because it helps reinforce not to break their sit. It's a hint. It's not like a prevent it totally, but it helps them a little bit. It helps passively conditions in, hold and sit. And I'm also going to use my feet, and I just point my toes out 45 degrees, and my heels are touching. I place them between my feet, and that serves as a wall, and I can kind of hold them in place there a little bit with some light pressure, and keep them in place. And I just keep massaging them upward, stacking. Good girl, good sit. I repeat the command. I'll say I'll praise her when she does it, and I'll repeat the command. I'll say, good sit. I've read some trainers think that that's ridiculous. I don't care. What I was taught. It's what I've always done. I think it's effective. It's sort of like saying your name over and over. It's how you get them to acquire your name, or even if you get a rescue dog a new name. So I repeat the command quite a bit. She didn't have to get out of it. Oh, sit. But it's not a corrective thing. I'm just putting them back into place. Over and over and over and over and over. Okay? Rinse, repeat. Over. There you go. Good girl. Good sit. Then I might put a little bit of distance between she and I. Step over. She was between my legs. Step over. Now I'm on her left side. She's going to be in heel. And maybe I'll take a tiny step outward. She doesn't break her sit. Good girl. Good sit. She breaks out of her sit. No sit. I reposition her. Put her back in. Good girl. Good sit. And gradually you expand it from there. Additionally, zero distraction environment. As close to it as you can find. I'll start sometimes down here in my little dungeon, in the basement, my apartment complex, laundry room, and then I go to my backyard, and then we're out in the street doing it. Except heel sometimes, because there's just not a ton of space. So that's it. And it's fairly simple. A lot of this is you have to be pretty good with your hands and refine that technique over time. We'll go over that. Stacking is huge. And again, stacking is just we start right here actually, just like this. Position your legs upward and then pull back by the jowls. Massage. Girl, that's it. Under the chin, good. And then downward, right there. Massage going back. All right, let's start with heel. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. I have to jump a little bit. Try your innovation. Good girl. Who's your little baby? Who's the little girl? Who's the little girl? Get. Who's the baby? I'm the baby. I'm the baby. Good girl. There you go. There you go. I get a little too excited actually, but That's all right. That's okay. All right. Take a second. All right, baby. Now, I'll be giving her a heel command to get out of this, out of the sit. That's not to work on heel. It's just to indicate to her, don't break sit unless I free you from command structure, which is okay. Means she's on her own time. I'll do that as well. Or I give you a heel command. Otherwise, unless there's an earthquake, you gotta hold your sit. Those are the rules. All right, baby. Heel. Good heel. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna get out with her in the beginning. There you go. Good. Step over gently. Nice and slow because she's inside. Okay, baby. Light pressure. Very good. Good sit. Good girl. That's a sit. Good. I kind of pushed gently down on her butt, but I was kind of massaging it. A little pressure, then a little massage. A little pressure, then a little massage. Good girl. Good sit. Good girl. That's a sit. Good girl. Very good. Very good. Sit. Under the chin is very important. Try to keep that head up. Keep their posture right. It's going to help them a lot to hold the command. Good girl. Very good. Sit. What a good girl. Sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Good sit. Very good. Straighten up. Good girl. Good straighten. See, someone came in upstairs and she can hear it. She's like, oh, puppy, super important. Zero distraction environment. Very good. Nope, sit. Nope, sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Very good. Good sit. Good girl. Nope. Sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Straighten up. Good girl. Good choice. Good girl. Good sit. She made a choice not to break her command. Good choice. Straighten up. Straighten up. Good straighten. Good girl. Heel. Good girl. Good heel. That's good. That's good girl. What a freaky. You know what up, freaky? What a good girl. Way to go, baby. Way to go, baby. Let's go, baby. Get up. Get. Come on back. There you go. Whoops. Come on, get up. That's a good girl. There we go, baby. All right, girl. Whoops. She is awkward little puppy. I'm awkward little two babies. That's okay. Sit. Sit. That's it. That's it. Good girl. Good sit. Good girl. When you teach a dog something new, it's very important to use encouragement. Encouragement is a bridge between correction and praise. And I try to keep all the informal training language very consistent. So I'll say, that's it. No. Sit. No. Sit. Stubborn puppy. That's a good sit. Good girl. Good. I'm going to end this quickly and I'll explain why. But I say, that's it, that's it. Or let's go, let's go. That's better. Those are 3 phrases I'll use to encourage. Very good sit. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Very good. So she's getting tired. Puppies, really, it should be 5 minutes or less. She's 6 months, so maybe 7 minutes, but I'm good. This is too long already. But I'll try to do a couple more things and then we're going to end it fast. Let's go over heel. No, heel. Very good. Now I'm just going to start on her left. That's it, baby. Sit. No. Sit. Good. That's it, that's it, that's it. Good girl. Nope, sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Good sit. Straight up. Good girl. So this is a little narrow for her, actually, these platforms. So I'm going to address that in a second. Nope. Sit. Let's go. Sit. Shh. Tiny bit of leash pressure. Nope. Sit. Nope. Sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Very good. It's a star mark. Very, very light. Good girl. Now, under the guise of praise, putting her in the right position, I'm kind of distracting her too. Very good sit. Very good. See, she's stubborn. Most puppies are. Very good girl. Heel. Let's go, baby. Let's go heel. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Make it wider and lower the ground now. Here, baby. I'm going to get behind her again now, too, because that's easier. Here we go, baby. Sit. No, sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Good sit. Very good. Straighten up. Okay, now another reason why we use our legs at the beginning. Whoops. Nope. Sit. Good girl. Good sit. Very good. Good sit. It's to keep them in place, but also to keep their back legs in a good position. And actually, I did this poorly, so her position is a little bit off right now. Good girl. Good sit. Very good. Okay. Good girl. Very good. Let's go, baby. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Woo! You like the jumpies. You like the jumpies. All right, baby. Here. Here. Let's go. Sit. Sit. Go. Sit. Sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Very good. Like I said, when they're very stubborn, the leash is just kind of helping them get into position. Just basically the same as my hands. So I don't consider that corrective. Very good. But I try not to rely on it too much anyway. And sometimes it's hard for her because she's distracted. She hears some noises. Good. Sit, baby. And this is so hard for them to focus. This age, she is going to be exhausted after this. Heel, it's amazing how tired they get. Girl, sit. Oh, sit. Sit. That's it. Good, sit. Good girl. Very good. I'm actually getting a little too excited for a puppy. And you wouldn't normally want to do the good girl, good sit. Very good. I'm only touching her right now to shake. Once that's done with, you don't want to reward a puppy, with petting, because they get too excited. They wiggle out of their hand. Good baby. Nope, sit. Nope, sit. Oh, sit. Nope. Sit. Nope, sit. That's a sit. Good girl. Very good. Yep. Good. One more, baby. One more. Maya, sit. Nope, sit. Straighten up. Good girl. Nope, sit, baby. Start over, heel. Let's go. That's it, baby. Sit. Good sit. Good girl. Very good. very hard for them if there's even a minor distraction. Dog this age, forget it. Very good. So we went from high elevation to medium, or to medium, then to low, then to the ground. We're gonna keep doing that until she really, really gets it, understands too that she has to hold it. Then it's a matter of making them do what they already know how to do. Good girl. And motivating them to. Good. Very good. Sit. Okay. Good girl. Way too long. Should have been about 5-7 minutes max. But we put it in with a dog this age, right? Really, you want to be doing 5 to 7 minute sessions, anywhere from 8 to 12 times a day. You do what you can as an owner, but for me, that's what I try to do with this stuff. And I'm also walking them, getting them out around people, places, and things as well. 6-month-year-old dog is about what you're going to get. Distractibility, impulsivity, a little bit of stubbornness, like she likes the light. You are cute. I want to eat you. All right, that's it. Take and sit. No food, no treats for you.